Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best shade sails for the yard that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Love Story Triangle Sunshade Sail Canopy. There are also several gorgeous colors to choose from. These include sand, blue, brown, terra red, dark gray, and beige. The material is 100% 185 GSM new high-density polyethylene, HDPE. It allows the wind, water, and light through but also provides a nice level of shade. It supplies an 85 to 90% shade rating with up to 95% UV ray protection. You can see the difference in material and even shade protection with this sail's shade in comparison to another brand. Moving on at number 4, we have Shade and Beyond Rectangle Shade Sail. This Shade and Beyond sail is an excellent option for a rectangle sail. Its colors include sand, light gray, and rust red. It comes in 5 sizes that include 7 x 13, 8 feet x 10, 10 feet x 10, 10 feet x 13, by 12 feet x 12. While the colors are somewhat limited, there are plenty of sizes to select from. The material is the common HDPE, which is permeable. It is 185 GSM for a nice layer of protection from the sun. It supplies up to 98% UV protection and approximately 85% sunshade. The D-rings on the corners are stainless steel 304 marine grade. They will both resist rust and ensure a tight hold of the sail. This is an excellent option for multiple areas around the yard that need shading. This might include the carport, pool, deck, and many other locations. At number 3, we have Art Putch Shade Sail Canopy. The Art Putch shade sails are made in both rectangle and triangle designs. The currently available colors are sand, rust red, and gray. This shade won't block the rain with its permeable, 185 GSM HDPE material, but it will do a solid job at blocking the sun. It provides 80 to 85% shade and up to 98% UV rays. The D-rings are manufactured using high-quality stainless steel for lasting strength and durability. The rings are designed not to rust and are secured by double-layer webbing on the sail. At number 2, we have Color Tree Sunshade Sail. If you are looking for a very specific size for a rectangle sunshade, Color Tree likely has you covered. Click the Amazon button above for a long list of sizes. Frankly, there are too many sizes for us to list here for practical purposes. The company offers a nice selection of colors that you might not find with other brands. These include beige, black, blue, brown, gray, red, turquoise, white, and sand beige. The shade blocks 95% of the UV rays under its cover. It is made from a thick 190 GSM HDPE material for superior quality. Despite its thickness, water won't pool on its surface to later create problems. The edges are equipped with stainless steel D-rings constructed out of 314 steel. There should be little worry about these rings not holding up over normal daily use. And finally at number 1. Shade Sail Hardware Kit. You should consider purchasing a shade sail hardware kit such as the one above to make mounting safe and easy. If you visit Amazon to view this kit, you will see the option to purchase kits for square, rectangle, and triangle-shaped sails. Before you purchase one of the best shade sails for your yard, be sure to greatly consider the area you want shaded and how you plan to mount the sail. It is easy to underestimate or overestimate the area that needs shading and to forget about areas to mount the sail. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.